Each year in building and construction, we build a house from the ground up. We do the masonry work, we do the electrical, the framing, the plumbing, the roofing, the finish work. We install the cabinets, the flooring, everything. And each year it's built to the buyer's spec.
Upon completion of this program, you really gain all the tools you need to either go into the construction field or take your skills and put it into your own home maintenance and journeys throughout your home.